Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log into KRA iTax portal Kenya. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Chrome or a browser of your choice, and then in the search bar simply type in KRA iTax Kenya. That is KRA iTax, log in, and then hit go or enter on your keyboard. Tap on the first link saying iTax, zoom in if you're on a mobile browser. Here you can either log in with your PIN or with your ID. Here you'll have to enter either your PIN or your ID. For that, you'll have to select PIN or ID at the top and then hit enter the PIN or ID and then hit continue. If you want to apply for a new PIN and have not registered for a PIN, simply hit new PIN registration, zoom in one more time. Here you'll have to select the taxpayer type from the drop-down menu. You can select individual or non-individual. For now, we're going to be selecting individual. In the mode of registration, you'll have to select online form, as that is the only option. And then, do you want to register a PIN with no obligation? You can select either yes or no according to your requirements. Hit next. And again. Here you'll have to select your citizenship type, your major group, your subgroup, under your profession, and then you'll have to select if you want SMS notification and fill in the rest of the details. And then create your account, create your PIN, and then you'll be able to log into your iTax account. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.